My name is Momena Ali. I am the founder of Ethnic Youth Community Support Team. I grew up in Swansea, faced a lot of challenges within education, within the community, mainly to do with racism, stereotype, ignorance. And all that experience kind of always gave that drive in me to do something to make a difference to other young people who come from the same background as me, who would face those challenges but may not be as fortunate as me. And I had that vision that one day I would give back to my community and I would set something up that would be around mentoring, working with young people. Every award has made a difference for us. It makes a difference for our staff to feel valued. It makes a difference for our service users to feel valued. To be recognized with such awards, you must be doing something right. And then on the night, I actually appreciated being there because I thought, you know what, for my own community as a Bangladeshi female especially, our community is known as one of those vulnerable communities. So I felt like I was the voice of the voiceless there. I also hoped that other people from my community, whether it's from the Bengali community or the Muslim faith, would look at me in my sort of hijab and recognize that, you know what, we are represented out there. So I saw the impact and the power of that nomination in itself. And when I won, I thought, wow, this is not for me. This is for all those young females out there who would want to aspire to this but don't know how. And I hope that just that image of myself receiving that award would be that, motivation for them.